Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do something else on my bike. Why not, right? So this is what I got for you today. We're gonna change the triple clamp and we're gonna change the clip-ons. Alright, so here's what I got. Here's the triple clamp from Bonamici Racing. I'm gonna provide the link below where I purchased this. The clip-ons and these domino grips. They're gonna look nice on the bike. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so what are we doing first? So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this right here. I already loosened it up, but for this we need a 26 millimeter. Alright, 26 millimeter for this will be the perfect size. All right. Make sure there's some kind of washer right here. Don't lose this. Alright, so this is one of the issues I see right now. So we have this bracket connected to the clip-ons right here. The ones I ordered from Bonamici, they don't have anywhere to attach this bolt to, so we may have to drill through it just to keep it on the same position we have the original one. Okay, so we'll work on that. Now we start taking off all these parts. So I'm gonna start with the bar ends, then I'm gonna move to this one's right here, and then I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna remove this bar, and then I'm gonna remove the other bar end. Right, so we're gonna loosen this up, this one right here, and for that we need a start key. This is the T20, and we're gonna try just get it in here and then just loosen it up. So now it's loose. Once it's loose, we're going to remove these two screws right here just to get it out of the clip-on. So this is the screw that was loosened up right now. So that's when it puts pressure on the clip-ons, right? So now let's use our screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, to remove these two screws. Same size. Now we can take this out and pressure. So we gotta end up removing. We gotta remove this one, but we gotta do it from here. This one is out. Okay. Alright, for the throttle, and there's a small star screw right here. For this one we need a T15, a star key. So I already loosened it up, so you can see if I loosen it up, it's going to be right here, this one right here. Alright, pull this up, and it should slide out of the clip-on, right? But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to remove the clip-on out of the port so I can slide this out easier without pulling the cable. Alright, I'm going to start removing the screws that are on the triple clamp and the one on the clip-ons. For that one we need, this is a 6 millimeter. Start this one right here. There's a screw right here on the bottom where the key goes to that we need to remove. For that we need a 5.5 millimeter. Alright, we're going to this side. There's another one we need to remove that is right here. That one we need a 5 millimeter. Alright, we're going to loosen where the clutch lever is right now, right here. Alright, so similar to the other side, we need a start key, a T25, to loosen this one right here. So what it does, it helps us get to this Phillips screws right here, so we can take this out of the clip-ons. Alright, so now we'll remove this one right here. So you unfold this right here like this, and we need a 3 millimeter Allen key. So this is another thing we have to take in consideration. When putting the new clip-ons, we don't have this hole to screw this in, so we kind of have to like make a new hole in here as well. Alright, so I'm not reusing this. I'm just gonna cut it out of here. And now we cut this one out too. Alright, so let me explain this. In here, there was a security bulb right here. So what I did, I took a Dremel, it was right here. So I took a Dremel and then a flat screwdriver to get it out. Alright, so this is a security screw that goes from the triple clamp to the ignition. Alright, that's the best way I could do it, so I got it out. Before we put them in, make sure you can put everything that goes in here first. This. This is another one I need to like push through. Now, because I didn't want to remove the cable. Put this in. Alright. It's okay, I'll extend. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And put the throttle right here. Yeah, throttle first. The other ones will be just with certain screws. That's fine. Put it in. Good. And then we can do this triple clamp right back. Just remember to push it through. So here is the final product. Alright, so let me explain what I did. We'll remove this triple clamp right here. There were 2 bolts that needed to be removed. One was a security bolt. The other one came off with an Allen key. Then I removed the other clip-ons. And what we have to do, you have to put these clip-ons first before putting the triple clamp, because if you can see, they go under. So then we put all the controls back into the clip-ons. On the right side, I had to drill a hole for this screw that goes right here to hold the reservoir. On this side, I had to drill a hole right here to hold the these controls in place. So at the end, you have to drill 2 holes, one on the left side and then one on the right side. On this side